Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome everyone. So in this video I'll make this little vase, bit of colouring, and I'll have a chat at the end on some of the issues I had and really how my plans have changed. This wasn't probably as I had in my mind before I even started this project. It was on this basis, but something slightly different. But before I get into the sort of the design changes that I've gone to, I'll just cover some of the issues that I think I probably should have dealt with a little bit different way. Firstly, the colouring, the black layer to start with, I deliberately tried to leave it a little bit darker when I sanded it back on the base here to try and emphasise sort of like that depth of it sitting on something darker. Even with it sanded to 600, it's still gone into a lot of the grain somewhere. On something which is a fairly flat grain in the first place, I'm quite surprised on how well it's actually still got in there. The real big mistake on there I think I did was actually put the black on the top here. Not such a problem, it's something different, but I think it might have looked a bit better if that wasn't so black. And the trouble is, because that's end grain, any moisture in there will just sink in there straight away. I mean, it has got some of the effect that I was after. I wanted it in some form of a flame, and I think a lot of these do, I suppose, look like flames coming up. But I think on that basis, I'd probably need to somehow use some form of a template or some tape on there to get, I think, crisper lines in places. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts on this. I mean, which way would you do a flame as well with the colouring, especially with just going like with 3 colours, with the red, orange and yellow. I didn't really want to go down the airbrush route. So the other thought I thought about was possibly brushing it on. But I'm no artist, so I don't know whether I'd have got a better result that way. But I think possibly the masking or some form of a template might be the better idea. Thoughts and ideas on this would be most appreciated. So the main design change that I went for was, I did some of these, I think last year, when I wasn't really doing any videos. If you follow me on social media, go back through some of my pictures and you'll see some of the creations I did. And I basically used, I think it was the parting tool. I actually did some indentations in the work. It's a 16mm hole, so we've got a 16mm hole run all the way through there. And the idea was to then put sort of like these grooves all the way in, so that there were probably 4 or 5mm from that actual test tube. So it would then look like you've then got that tube running down the middle. But I thought, well, once I got this, with all the work I'd put in here, I didn't really want to risk ruining it. The danger is then, with this being such light wood, the moment I create those grooves, you're going to have such a big contrast there. When I did it on the previous vase like that, I finished the whole thing off with lemon oil. Came off with this more richer browny colour, like I've done with this one. So fun little project. I actually quite like it. Some of the flames, as I say, I'm not overly happy with. What I will say though, is what I really liked is that, I don't know whether it shows on the video, when I just buffed this off, look at the colours that it was producing. And it's really that mix of, I've got the sort of like the deep red here, there's some orange, but the top here becomes sort of like a mix of like yellow and orange. Lots to think about on this one. Lots of probably experimenting or changes I could do. And I'd certainly love to hear your thoughts on this. Thanks a lot for watching.